Oh yeah. If they all like this, they going crazy. Being getting offloaded. They out here packed. It's sliding? Y'all sliding or what? Sliding. Y'all ready? Let's go. What up, YouTube, man? We back at it. We out here sliding. We're about to have some fun on this video. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. We ain't doing no work in the day. We're about to go ahead and load up the RV, get the family, go to the dirt, have some fun. Because I'm telling you, we've been working all week, so it's time for us to get it in and have some fun and get some type of enjoyment. So understand that, man. Make sure y'all get in to win for the Silver Bullet giveaway. We're about to go ahead and be going live real soon. But y'all about to see this video, what y'all could be doing with the truck if you get in to win it and spend your 25, because it could be you and you could be sliding just like this with your family, getting it in, having fun, man. So like I said, get in to win to the Silver Bullet giveaway, y'all. We got first place with the truck in a 2019 Road Glide, almost finished and complete. Second place, we got a 2015 Road Glide we're giving away. All you gotta do is go in the description below at BuiltByDre.BigCartel, grab you some keychains or a cap. Either one of those 4 products will enter you into the giveaway. So get in to win it while you can, because it's almost there, man. We sliding, not hiding. Y'all see what's going on. We working. And we finally made it out. This shit. It's crazy. Loading it up, getting this propane, baby. Big transport. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, if they all like this, huge circle. Wow, that's literally how they do it in Glenmore. They going crazy. Everything gets offloaded. Yeah, out here packed. Hey. Oh. They going crazy. Yes, sir. Got it loaded, looking good. Got the bullet out. They out here super packed, going crazy. Got it going on. Let's see what it's looking like outside. Oh yeah, that's crazy. I got it loaded. That's crazy. Slide it up. Hurry, close the door. That's crazy. They out slide in. You ready? It's crazy. They was out here jamming all mother night. Yes, sir. sliding? Y'all sliding or what? I gotta say yeah. Slide in. Y'all ready? Let's go. Look on, Major. I got you, okay? We're gonna slide real fast. Yeah? Because we gotta go slide. What? Yeah, big boy, high five. Hey, he's going crazy. Hey, you just don't give up the donut time. You don't give up on the donut time. You don't give up on the donut time. That little boy on that bike over there riding.
Can I ride with you? Yeah.
Go ahead. Ooh, it is the speed, man. It's time to slide. I got it loaded up. Everybody clearing out. So we finally got everything inside loaded up. We was gonna stay another day, but we got other plans we about to try to do tomorrow. So we are on the way out, y'all. Got everything cleaned back up. It'd be so hard. You don't want nothing to be on the floor. So I'll be trying to put everything right, but it's good though. This trip just showed me I got to get my bike and the Polaris back in here so we can have something to ride. But we make the best for it, man. Y'all see what's going on. Oh, yes. It's time to go. They got 4 razors. They got 3 like yours and 1 big one.